My younger sister Gamreji, she was a very bubbly person. She loved to love. She loved life, and then also she was she was a straight talker. So yeah, I can use so many ways to describe her. She was a sincere person. She was helpful, support, cheerful. So she'll be greatly missed. I feel there is a gap in my heart that that is been open, that I feel no one will ever feel. I wouldn't say I feel a sense of relief, but I would just say the retrieval of the vehicle just answer one question that was missing, and then one part of the puzzle that was missing. I mean, after all, a car can be replaced, but a human soul can never be replaced. So we are deeply saddened and emotional, by what happened. Yeah. Yo, they loved each other. I don't want to lie. They were. I remember when they started dating, they went everywhere together. So I feel Gamkhaju had a certain impact on Lwazi as well, because Gamkhaj loved pictures, loved life. So also she brought that side of Lwazi. So they loved each other. They loved their child. Poor Zano doesn't know what is happening. He's just busy playing. So yeah.
Yo, like my younger cousin has just explained, it's very difficult. I don't know, actually. I don't even know where to begin, because she was a straight talker. She was a good person at heart. Actually, she would go extra mile, or for somebody else. She would do anything just to see the next person happy. She was very helpful in every way possible. So that's how I'm going to miss her. And then she would, whenever there was a situation, and then maybe most of us, maybe we would have cold feet, or maybe to approach but she would face the situation head on. She would just speak her mind. So she was that kind of person.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mdeni wa Constable Kia Mukhetswe speaks about the kind of a person Kia was, and nangokuthi yena Shem nemuntu wakhe bebathandzana ngendlela lesimanga, beba-happy, and that they were always together. Simbonile umuntu wakhe Kia wenkosi yami, hayi nidoncolela, I'm not Sotho, I'm not Tswana. Simbonile umuntu wakiya akhuluma aku-interview, bambuta ama-questions about the kind of a person Akia was. Wamchaza njengomuntu lolungile, lo beka labanye bantu phambili kunaye, lucabangela labanye bantu, futhi nemuntu losita umphakathi. So washo nje ukuthi unelithemba lokuthi umfati wakhe utobuya ekhaya phephile. Unfortunately akuzange kube njalo, but bayakhuluma nje bakubo bakabokiya ukuthi yena nemuntu wakhe bebathandzana ngendlela lesimanga, and they were always together. Banemntwana ke awukiya anabhodi, and kuthiwa mntwana akade nokuthi kwendakalani ngama, because awusasemncane, uyatidlalela njena nokuthi kwendakalani ekhaya, nkosi yami, mntwana uDlules akade lutho. So kubuhlungu kakhulu guys lokho kwenteke kulama constables lamathathu. It's just a story nje lebantu abaningi ngicabanga ukuthi kuyoba easy ukuthi basikhohlwe, and kubuhlungu kakhulu even emndenini wabo. Can't even imagine what they are going through. May their soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.